Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have the grid lines option. So by using this button we can easily turn them on and another tap to turn them off when we don't need them. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see the grid lines, and as you can see we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when we go here to the left to see the picture in the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real one, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we can easily go back to the left corner here, slide again to the useful features and tap on this button. So for now the grid lines are turned off and in the camera preview they have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.